Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to stop someone from tracking your location. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily turn off location tracking on your device. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now if you feel like someone is tracking your location, this is the best way to avoid this embarrassment, so just follow all the steps. Now for the first thing you need to do, all you need to do is to open your settings, and once you open your settings on your iOS, now scroll to where you can see apps, click on apps. Now once you click on apps, scroll to where you can see Google, click on that, and you can see location, click on location, and you can see allow location access, click on never. Now once you are done with this, go back, and once you go back you can see maps, click on maps, and once you click on maps you can see location over here, click on location and click on never. Now for the last thing you need to do, just go back to your settings over here and scroll to where you can see privacy and security, click on that, and you can see location services, click on this option. Now turn off this option, and you can see turn off, so click on turn off, and by doing this no one will be able to track your location. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.